Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get blurry background in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to add any random clip in Premiere Pro. So here you can see that I added. Then you need to go on to the effects and search for the Gaussian blur. You simply need to apply that onto the video clip. Then you need to scroll down and here you can see the Gaussian blur. So you simply need to click on free draw. Okay, once you click on that, scroll down. Here you need to trace the person. So I make it a little faster. So you need to spend some time here to make it more precise. But I am doing speedily to show you the process. You need to spend some time here to make it more precise. Okay. So let me position this. I think it's good. Let me. So you need to spend some time on this to make it a accurate path. I think it's look good. So once you've done that, you simply need to click on this icon, that is drag selected mask forward, and it will take few minutes depending on your device speed. Once it is done, you simply need to click on inverted and you need to increase the blurriness to 35 and mask wither to 37. So now I'm going to show you the result. So here you can see that. So this is the process how you can get blurry background in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.